Without wasting any time, let's see how to make a circle face cam or a webcam video. Say for instance, you have a video that is going to be played in the background where you want to show your face in the face cam, but you would much rather prefer it in some corner of your video in form of a circle. To do that, let's do the step-by-step process. Place your video, which is your face cam, on top of the actual video, so which is this one right now. So once I enable it, you can see the entire video. Once you have placed the video on top of it, and it actually covers the entire video beneath it. To begin with, just go to your effects panel over here and click on the search icon. Search for transform. And if nothing appears, just click on the open effects tab. Select the video clip and double click on transform. So you should see this FX icon over here, which has enabled it, or you can just drag and drop it on it. If you don't see the entire FX panel, just click on the top drop down icon and it will expand it for you. Click on the image adjustment drop down and just take the edge rounding all the way to 1. And you should already have a circle video for your face cam. Now to spice things up, what you can do is just click on the video tab and play around with the settings where you can place your actual video beneath it inside the circle to position or zoom your face accordingly. So I'm going to place it something like this. So that's basically step number 1. You have already placed your face or inside the face cam. Now the next step is to create a fusion clip. So right click on the media pool and click on new fusion composition. Select the duration to around 10 minutes and then just rename as face cam outline. Set it to the frame rate of your actual video. So in my case, it's 60. So I'll set it as 60 and then just click on create. So there is one face cam outline, which you can drag and drop on the video 3 timeline and place it above your actual face cam video. So right now you can see nothing. Just click on this one and go to the Fusion step. So once you are in the Fusion page, just go to the top and click on the FX panel. Over here, expand your tools and go to the shape. Here, select S ellipse and S render. So just place them all along in a line and just connect all the 3 together. What this will do is create a rough circle for you, but we don't want the entire fill. So you can just uncheck the solid button and increase the border width by whichever value you like. So I'm keeping it at 0.22, right? And then go back to this page where you can see a border around it. Pretty cool, right? So now we can adjust this border, add a color to it, and then place it probably at the correct size. You can go back to the Fusions page, click on the S ellipse and go to the style thing. Now you can modify the color that you want around your character as well. So I'm going to choose yellow and click on OK. So now you see the yellow circle around it, right? Now what we can do is click on the actual clip, go to the effects tab and decrease the zoom value. So you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to precisely match the circle. Since we are going to move this around along with the border, what we can do is just select this video clip and the face cam outline, right click on it and click on new compound clip. We are going to rename it as face cam, and what this will do is create a single clip for which you can do all the editing together and even move it around. Now once you're happy with your entire clip, what you can do is select this clip and click on this icon over here next to the timeline. This allows you to manipulate the entire size and move it around so that you can place your face cam anywhere on the screen. So you can place it on the top right like some YouTubers do, or you can even place it on the bottom left if you have multiple people around. So let's see the final result, and once this plays, you can click out of this icon and you can start playing the video and it will have it rendered on your screen as a face cam. So that was a quick tutorial on how to make a face cam for your reacts or any type of video that you want to create. Thank you for watching.